Hi, this is Craig with MSSC. Today we're going to talk about the Marsh stencil machines. We have 4 models. Most popular is the Model R, which is a 1-inch character height. Second most popular is a Model H, which is 1/2 inch, and then a Model S, 3/4, and lastly a Model Q, which is a 1/4 inch. Today I have a 1-inch machine to display and show cutting a stencil. Theory of operation is the same for all 4 machines. Some of the key features with the machine: all cast aluminum body, 40 character set, punch and die, the alphabet, obviously A through Z, 0 through 9, and some special characters. Some of the key features I wanted to point out are punch and dies, proprietary product, heat treated die, machine to close tolerances to 4 decimal places to ensure long life and clean cut. Secondly is our center shaft, where everything rides on that center shaft. Not only do we have a press fit in the base, but likewise the shaft is threaded with a lock nut and jam nut, so you kind of get the double security, if you will. And lastly, how we achieve smooth operation in our lower feed wheels and tracking the paper. One of the things we've done, these lower feed wheels ride on a nice brass insert, all one piece, very solid, excellent construction, long life machine. Next we'll talk about the operation of the stencil machine. One of the key points in doing so is selection of the oil board. We offer some 50 sizes, anywhere from 3-inch by 24 upwards 24-inch by 48. Again, it depends on the number of lines in your cut stencil, what you're marking on, and your general use. Next, I'll show you how to cut a stencil. Next, loading the paper. Again, we're operating a Model R. Typical size for that would be a 7 by 24, which I'm cutting with today. I'm going to cut a single line message. I've just chosen to register off of line 3 into the far left register mark. And now I'll go ahead and select. And if I needed a space, just go ahead and press in the button in advance, but in this case I'm done, and there's our cut stencil. And now after cutting the stencil using a Marsh fountain, where I went ahead and applied my stencil mark, in this case pipe, we find ourselves in typical industries: petrochemical, oil exploration, pipe marking, government, seafood container, wood pallets, etc., shrink wrap materials, automobile, trains, and so on. Any questions, feel free to contact us at MSSCLLC.com.